Launch Bitcoin Mining is a clone of the green BTC coin app with a few differences. So just like all these apps, you can watch 10 ads every 8 hours, the last 24 hours. But the main reason I wanted to show this off is they actually have a better version of the draw reward system. So you can see where it says 3.5 gigahash per second. If you click on that and then go to daily task, you can see I clicked on login where it says complete. And then you can come to your draws, which is this little wheel on the bottom right you see right here. And you can see the draw rewards go from 500 all the way up to 20,000, which is better than the green BTC coin mining app. And you can see the range of how many sats you'll earn for each reward because they go from 2 hours to 4 hours. So at 500, you'll earn just under a sat and a half to just under 3 sats. And if you get lucky, you'll earn 57 and a half to 115. And all of this is just for coming in, logging in, no investment required. So let's do a little spin, show you what I get. And there's 2,000. And that was for 2 hours, so that's going to give me 5.75 sats. Pretty easy for just logging in and clicking a button. Now, as far as the market goes, I'm going to be straight to the point. If you go on like the green BTC app, the deals are a lot better than they are on this. And what I mean is with the green BTC app, they actually have a full buy one, get one free when you buy a miner. With this, like you can see, you get a 750 gigahash per second and you get 150 bonus. So that would deter me from investing into this. But with the free draw, I'm definitely going to log into this every day, do my draw, get my free Bitcoin. It's almost like a faucet in that way. And one other thing is just like the green BTC coin app or the old blue Bitcoin mining app, the withdrawals are free and the minimum is only 20. So let me show you a tutorial on that. So in my case, I had 32 sats that I was going to withdraw to a speed wallet. So click withdraw now and then head to our speed wallet and click receive. And then an amount, I'm going to put 32 and click submit. I'm going to copy my address, head back to launch Bitcoin mining, put in 0.0000032, paste my address, and then click withdraw. And within seconds, the 32 sats was sent directly to my speed wallet. So like I said, I'm not going to invest into this, but it's definitely going to be in my lineup of logging into and just collecting some free sats. So I definitely felt like it was worth showing off. And if they ever have any major updates, I'll let you know as soon as possible. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I do my best to find the best Bitcoin and crypto cloud mining apps and break them down as well as I can. And if you find value in these videos, I have memberships unlocked for 99 cents a month. You get these videos out a little quicker. I don't take any direct sponsorships from any of these cloud mining apps, making sure these videos are as unbiased as possible. So when you do buy a membership, just know that it means the world to me and I really appreciate it. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.